Dear students, today the topic that we are starting comes under transformation. So under transformation, we have many topics like reflection, enlargement, rotation, okay, and translation. Four topics are there. Out of those four topics, today the topic that we are discussing is reflection. As reflection, the name implies reflection means the mirror image of any figure. When you stand in front of the mirror every morning, you see a mirror image of yours, right? Same here, when we are doing the reflection topic under transformation, so we see the mirror image of any figure which is given to us. Now, what is the property of the mirror? You see, you must have studied in physics also that in mirror, the distance of the object which is in front of the mirror is same as inside the mirror. For example, if I'm standing 1 meter in front of the mirror, so the image that is formed inside the mirror is also at the 1 meter. So same concept we are using here in mathematics also. So let's just start. And yeah, uh, this topic that we are starting is today reflection. Reflection topic we are starting, right? Reflection topic we are starting, which comes under transformation. Okay, vectors and transformation topics. If vectors we have already done, so it comes under transformation. So transformation, we have reflection, we have rotation, we have enlargement, and we have translation. Okay, so these are four topics we will discuss one by one. Today I'm starting with the reflection. Okay, so there will be a mirror line here, mirror line along which the reflection happen, right? For example, if this is a figure in front of the mirror, so the same figure will form uh, in the opposite side of the mirror and at the same distance. If this is at x distance, this will also be at x distance. So the line which is in between is called the mirror line. Okay, so let's just start with the question. Question number first. You see, on the grid reflect the shaded shape in the mirror line. So as you can see, this is a mirror line given to us. Yeah, so we have to reflect this shape in the mirror line, right? So the easiest way of doing this, where you will not make any mistake, you have to see the coordinates here. This is my coordinate, this is my coordinate, this is my coordinate, and this is my coordinate, right? Now you see this coordinate is at one distance. Let I name this ABCD. Okay. Now the coordinate E is at 1 unit below the mirror line. So the mirror image that will be formed, the coordinate will be one line above this mirror line. That will be A dash. If this is B, I'm sorry. If this coordinate is B, so the another coordinate will be one coordinate above of it. That will be B dash. This is C. How many unit down? 1, 2, 3 unit down. So from here 1, 2, 3 unit up. That will be C dash. And this is again 1, 2, 3 unit down. So 1, 2, 3. It will be D dash. Now join them. A to B, B dash to C dash, C dash to D dash, C dash to D dash, and D dash to A dash. That is the reflection of the figure ABCD in the mirror line, which is known as A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. Clear? It's easy, right? Now next question. You see, what type of question comes in exam? This is the way they ask question in the exam. Describe fully the single transformation that maps shape onto shape B. This type of question comes in exam. Now, we have four transformation. The figure could be any. You have to identify, because right now you know that we are studying reflection topic. So you know that this is reflection. But in exam, you don't know. That question is from which topic? It could be from rotation, it could be from reflection, it could be from enlargement, it could be from translation. So you have to identify out of the four transformation which transformation is given. Now if you see here, you see these two figures are looking mirror image of each other, right? And and as you can see, they are reflecting along this line. This is called y-axis. So we say this is reflection. We will write reflection along the y-axis. Okay, and many students don't know what is the equation of y-axis. We know that in y-axis all x coordinate is 0. So what is the equation of y-axis? X equals to 0. Similarly, if reflection is happening on x-axis in any question, so we'll write reflection along x-axis, and what is the equation of x-axis? Y equals to 0. Correct, y equals to 0, because in x-axis all the y coordinates are 0. Clear? Next, third part. Reflect triangle A in y-axis. Now as you can see, y-axis means this particular axis. This is y-axis. You have to reflect it along the y-axis, right? So we see from this line, this coordinate, name them A, B, and C. So this coordinate is 2 unit left. If we talk about this coordinate is 2 unit right of it. So 2 unit left. Here will be A dash. This B coordinate 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 unit right. So we count from here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 unit left. B dash. This 1, 2, 2 right. 1, 2, 2 left. C dash. Join it. Okay. So you see A dash, B dash, C dash is the reflection of triangle ABC along the line y-axis. Clear? Right. Next. Okay, now this question is a little bit different from the question that we have done, because here x-axis, y-axis is easy. But now they say reflect shape B along the line y equals to 3. So first we need to understand where is line y equals to 3. So this is line y equals to 3. This is y equals to 3, because here y remains 3 for every coordinate of x, y is 3. So this is y equals to 3 line. Now I have to reflect my figure B along this line. So let it be A, B, and C. Mark it coordinates here. So the A coordinate is 1 unit above. So this will be 1 unit below A dash. This is 1 unit above, 1 unit below B dash. And 1, 2, 3, 4 unit up from here. 1, 2, 3, 4 unit down. This is C dash. Join it. A dash, B dash. So this is the reflection of this triangle in the line y equals to 3. Clear? I hope it is clear, right? Next, reflection along the line, reflect shape A in the line with equation x equals to -1. Okay, right. I'll zoom it for you. This is my question. They say reflect the shape A in the line with equation x equals to -1. So you see, this is -1. So if I reduce it like this way, this is x equals to -1. X equals to -1. Okay. Right. Now I have to draw a mirror image of this figure along this line x equals to -1. So see, this point is 1 unit right. So 1 unit left. I name it as PQRS. So P is 1 unit right. So from this line 1 unit left, P dash, this Q 1 2 3, 3 unit right from this line. So 1 2 3 unit left from this line, Q dash, right? From here S 1 2, 2 unit right from here, 1 2, 2 unit left, S dash, and R 1 2 3 4 unit right from this line, 1 2 3 4 unit left. This will be R dash. Now join this. We will join this. So that is the reflection of parallelogram PQRS, the shape A. It's a parallelogram in the line with x equals to minus 1, right? So they both are mirror image of each other. I hope it is clear to you, right? Now one more, no, this one also I'm telling you, these two figures are mirror image of each other. You have to tell fully the single transformation that map shape A onto shape B. Right. Now you see they both are mirror image of each other. Now see this point. This point is 2 unit down of this x-axis, and this point is 2 unit up of this axis. This point is 2 unit up of x-axis. This point is 2 unit down of x-axis. So we can say that the mirror line is this x equals to x-axis. This is my mirror line. This is my mirror line. So we will say reflection along the x-axis. Reflection along the x-axis. Understand? Right? Reflection along x-axis. Clear? Okay. Now next question I am leaving for you to try this question. Okay. Here again 2 shapes are given. You have to tell what type of reflection is this and where, in which axis the reflection is happening, or if there is any equation where it is happening. Okay. Now next, question number 8. Question number 8 says that describe fully the single transformation that may map shape A onto shape B. Now, this is shape A and this is shape B. Count how many blocks are there in between. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the line which will be the mirror line is exactly between of these two shapes. So this line which is passing through 1 on x-axis. This line is the mirror line because the distance of all coordinates is at equal distance from this line. So this is x equals to this line is x equals to 1. So we will say reflection along the reflection along x equals to 1. So x equals to 1, x-axis, this is the equation of line. Along the line, we can say reflection along the line x equals to 1, right? So their reflection is happening along the line x equals to 1, right? Okay. Now, ninth question, I am leaving it for you to try. Okay, ninth one is says reflection along the line y equals to 4. So you have to draw y equals to 4 line. Y equals to 4 line will be this line parallel to x-axis, and then you have to reflect it. So mark all the 4 coordinates and then draw the mirror image. Okay, I am leaving for you to try, right? If you are not able to do, you have to comment. I will answer that, but I know you are intelligent enough to do this. Okay, now next question, this one. Reflect triangle in the line y equals to x. So first we need to draw the equation. First we need to draw the line y equals to x. So y equals to x is this line. y equals to x. This is y equals to x line. You know how to plot the equation. You have to calculate minimum 3 points for each: x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, right? So this is x equals to 1 9. Now how to how to reflect along this when it is vertically. So we go vertically, we have to go diagonally. This point is if you see, this point is along this, so we go diagonally opposite. So this point will be this. Understand? We are going diagonally. Okay, this point will be this. Now check this point: 1 2 and a half, half 1 2. So there will be the point. Okay, 1 2 and a half, half 1 2. There will be the point. Okay, now you see this one, this 1 2 and a half, half 1 2. Join this. So this is a reflection of triangle A along the line y equals to x. So when the line is diagonally, so the mirror image will be like this. Okay, understand? So I hope reflection topic is clear to you, right? So this is the first topic of transformation which we have done. There are 4 more videos coming on this topic: one for rotation, one for transformation, and one for translation. Rotation, enlargement, and translation videos are coming. So stay tuned. Okay, and if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.